Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and today I'm presenting you the tutorial of how Russian beer works with gel nails and create amazing nail design for the Christmas. Now you can see Andrew. He's working with a barrel gel bit. This is one of the best tools for gel works because it has large toothing and it's very easy removing the gel and everything it touches. You know, I also tried this gel bit for cutting stones and it works perfectly and cut filing stones the same like professional tools for cutting stones. So you can try it and you will see that this is long lasting and very effective drill bit. Now Andrew is removing the pterygia using the flame drill bit. With the forward speed, he works from the left side and he does his work nail by nail, and after he turns the reverse speed and works with the right side. After the pterygia has been removed, he started working with a file to correct the shape of nails and remove some old gel product. This is necessary to do because we should prepare nails as perfectly as we can to save our time for sculpting nails, and this way the product will stay on much better. These professional nippers of the brand Alex, Andrew works with them for long years and they still like new. It's not needed even to sharpen them because Andrew prefers to work with the medium sharpness products. After removing the skin, and Andrew has already primered the nails. Sorry, we didn't show you, but the nails have been primered. You can see that they are sticky. Now he's applying the base gel. Please ask me down in the comments, guys, what format of video do you like more? Short videos about 14 minutes or 15 minutes, or very long videos which are longer than 1 hour. Andrew thinks that the long videos are not easy to watch for a long period of time. But some subscribers told us that they're happy with such long videos. I try to make videos shorter. I think that you have already learned some um, key main things that Andrew in his technique and his methods, and it's not needed to publish such detailed videos, but some nail masters think differently. Please let me know down in the comments your thoughts about it. Andrew is working with his favorite vintage gel brush, and many nail masters also started working with such thin brush, because using this method, this technique, I think this is the best choice. After curing nails in LED lamp in 1 minute, we need to remove the tacky layer, and let's start filing these nails. And as you can see, Andrew is working with his favorite barrel gel bit again. After he has removed the length, he works with the nail file, and he shapes the side walls, the length, the top area, but he doesn't touch the cuticles area, just because he's not going to cut the client with this file, and he will be using the conjure bit for removal of the gel in the cuticles area. As I told you before, Andrew is working with a conjure bit and neatly remove the gel in cuticles area. This one is the perfect for this work, and Andrew has tried a lot of brands, a lot of different shapes of gel bits, and this one is the best. And also he is using now it for removing the gel from underneath of the nail plate. You can order, by the way, guys, you can order all these cone and barrel gel bits with factory prices on shapeofnail.com. I think that this is the best deal to order such high quality tools, high quality drill bits. I think you will never find such tools on the Alibaba or eBay, I mean Russian made high quality tools that Andrew uses in his videos. As you can see, Andrew is placing the stickers with of the snowflakes. This is the simple stickers. I think every nail master should have the same, because drawing such detailed snowflakes, it's impossible. That's crazy. When we have a chance to stick these snowflakes, and this design is good enough. But you should at first you should inlay this design with a thin layer of the top coat. Make sure that all elements of this deco has sticked, and it will not be peeling while we're applying the top coat. Okay, and let's apply the top coat. As you can see, Andrew has applied thin layer of the top coat, and on some nails we have some peeled snowflakes, and Andrew works with the file again to remove these areas. So, and Andrew has applied the top coat on those nails, and it's time, guys, for revealing shots. Andrew is removing the dust and the oils, and he's applying the coconut oil on these nails. So just take a look. I think that this nail design is very stylish, and I think every nail master can do such beautiful nail design. Andrew worked a lot to create such shape. I like the background for these snowflakes and the combinations of colors. Nails look like so natural. You can compare what we had before, infill of these nails, and what we have now. And I think that now it's much better. Nails look so stylish, natural, so soft. What do you think about this nail design? Don't forget to tell me about it down in the comments. See you tomorrow. Bye.